Today we're reviewing our favorite air fryer. This is the Ninja XL air fryer, and we cannot wait to show you our favorite features.
I love that this thing is not overly big. Obviously, it does take up a little bit more space than a normal air fryer, but this one has so many features. It's actually 10 in 1. It can whole roast, air fry, bake, dehydrate, broil, toast, bagel, pizza, and reheat. That is literally 10 in 1, and it has so many different racks, which I love.
I also love that it is a fully digital display, so you've got your time, your heat, and based on what setting you're on over here, it will actually tell you what rack level to put the actual rack itself on, so I find that super, super handy. So the buttons over here, you've got your oven light, which is super handy if you want to check on your food as it's cooking. You can actually push 2 level, so when you have 2 racks of things in there, it'll actually go a little bit stronger. And then to cycle through the functions, as you can see, I'm pushing the down and the up arrows, and it's cycling through which function it's actually on. And it will change the display over here, so you can see the time and the heat, or you can see if you're doing bagels and toast, how many slices and the shade that you want each slice of toast.
You can actually manually adjust slices and shade just by pressing up and down on the slices and up and down on the shade. And obviously when you do start, I do love how fast this preheats. The whole thing preheats and is ready to go in 90 seconds or less, which is actually just such a huge time saver.
I also love how many trays this comes with. So you've got your actual air frying basket tray, and then you've got your drip trays, you've got regular trays, 2 of these, and then you've just got your oven racks, which are 2 of these, and all of these combined, you can pretty much make anything in this oven.
I also love the capacity of this thing. You can really use so many different pieces of it and not have to use other appliances in your house, so it really does replace so many things. You can put a 12-pound turkey in it. You can do a 5-pound chicken with a rack of vegetables at the same time.
Plus, you can do 2 12-inch pizzas, which is just fabulous, especially if you're having people over.
One thing I do really like about this air fryer versus other air fryers is it doesn't require rotating. That's something that they do promote about this one, so you don't have to rotate the turkey or the chicken or anything like that, or the pizzas. It'll just all cook, and when it beeps, it is ready to go.
So if you are looking for an air fryer that will virtually replace your conventional oven, I know it has for us at least, we would definitely recommend the Ninja XL.